In front of me is BLACKVIEW A60 Pro, and let me show you how to turn on or off dial pad tones on the following device. So first of all, let's open your keypad, and as you can hear, right now it is active. If you would like to change it, you have to enter the settings, now find and select sound, and here click on advanced. Go a bit lower, and under other sounds and vibration you will notice dial pad tones, unmarked, and as you can see right now it's deactivated. It is muted, so you cannot hear any digit that I am entering. So this is it, this is how you can personalize the sounds. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.